Hello BRAE133 students, and welcome to my video where I talk a little bit about the much anticipated final project for the class. I've designed a mechanism that I hope is simple enough for you guys to work with. What you're looking at now is just the first page of my 4-page document I created to go with this. So you can see I've given you kind of like a door handle latch mechanism. I've simplified a lot of the dimensions from what you might actually see in a door handle. Anyways, the idea is that you have a handle here at some particular discrete angle, it doesn't really matter, and you rotate it clockwise, which causes the latch mechanism to retract, thus freeing the striker plate. Okay, this gray part here would be the striker plate. The white part here would be the latch frame. This would be the handle, and then the tan colored part would be the latch mechanism itself. So what I've given you is I've given you the complete orthographic drawing of the latch frame. Okay, I've given you all the dimensions in fractions since you guys seem to like those more, and I've also given you the complete orthographic views of the striker plate. So I don't know why this is over. This should be on top of that. I'll have to correct that. Anyways, so you have those at your disposal. You're going to use those parts, and then what I want you to do is to design this latch mechanism, not the one I have, but your own. So you're basically designing a door handle in its most simplistic form. So I've given you a list of what I expect from the project, and how I'm going to grade it over here on the last page. I do want to make sure that when you guys are doing your orthographic projections that you align them properly. To be honest, I don't care if you draw a view and then you realize, oh, it's on the wrong side of the paper, okay, and you can't fit the other view. Long story short, too bad. So make sure that you think about where you want to start drawing so you could fit the other views. Okay, I'm not requiring any isometric on this. That's one of the things I cut out to hopefully make this easier for you. I also talk a little bit about slop and tolerances here. So basically, if you have a 1/4 inch bolt, you don't drill a 1/4 inch hole. It doesn't work. Okay, the bolt tolerances are not precise enough, and you try and put that bolt in, it's going to be tight and it's not going to fit. So if you want to drill a hole that fits a 1/4 inch bolt, you have to drill it slightly larger at 17/64. That's 1/64 above 1/4 of an inch. So that's the thought process I want you to have when designing this part, is that you need to have a little bit of a gap, a little air gap between your pieces in order for them to move smoothly. Make sure that you do not dimension any hidden lines. For any arcs that you have, use center lines and center marks as needed. Remember, you can dimension center lines, okay, but you cannot dimension a hidden line. After that, after you get your 2 parts designed, you do want to have a third drawing that shows how they would fit together, and you could show that either with the frame pieces or without. I'm going to leave that up to you. It'll probably be easier with the frame pieces in there, but we'll talk about assembly drawings in this next week. So that is the document you have there. I also have the SolidWorks model itself that I used to generate that, so you can see as I move the handle, that latch mechanism retracts, allowing this piece here to move freely. Okay, so that's how you would use it to open a door or something. So anyways, that's it. Hope that helped. I'll see you in class.